पैसा कमाने के लिए डिग्री नहीं, स्किल चाहिए। स्कूल्स एंड कॉलेजेस हमें रट्टा मारना तो सिखा देते हैं, पर अफसोस रियल लाइफ में काम आने वाली स्किल्स नहीं सिखा पाते। लेट्स फेस इट, 2025 is all about skills over degree. The world is changing fast, and if you want to stay ahead of the game, upskill and upskill smartly. But wait, before you jump into any online courses or certification, let me tell you the top 5 high-paying, future-proof skills that are actually in demand in India and globally. And don't worry, आपको इनको सीखने के लिए लाखों रुपीस खर्च करने का कोई नीड नहीं है, unlike your college degree. इन सभी skills के फ्री कोर्स के लिंक्स मैंने डिस्क्रिप्शन में ऐड कर दिए हैं, so you can work and learn them as well. So without wasting any time, let us see what are these 5 high paying skills, along with what would be the roles and salary range and the growth opportunities in these 5 domains. First, artificial intelligence and machine learning. Let's start with the biggest one. From ChatGPT to self-driving cars, AI is no longer the future but the present. AI and ML professionals build systems that can learn, predict and solve problems with data, automating boring tasks and even helping doctors diagnose diseases. So the job roles would revolve around being an AI engineer, ML engineer, data scientist and robotics engineer. The salary would start from about 6 to 8 lakhs and go up to 25 to 50 lakhs LPA with experience. When we talk about growth, the AI industry is growing at a 35% every year, and India alone is expecting to create thousands of new jobs in AI every year. Fun fact, by 2030, AI could add approximately 15 trillion to the global economy. That's more than the current GDP of China. Second, data analysis. Data is the new oil, and data analysts are the ones refining it. Every company, whether it's a tech startup, hospital, or even cricket league, relies on data-driven decisions. Data analyst turns messy numbers into insights that drive results. So the job roles would basically revolve around data analysts, business analysts, analytics consultants. And when we talk about salary range, it would start from about 4 to 7 LPA for beginners and go about 15 to 30 LPA for the experienced pros. And now talking about the growth, with 175 zettabytes of data projected by 2025, demand for data science analysts is skyrocketing. Also, did you know even Netflix uses data analytics to decide which shows to produce next? If you are good with logic, numbers or Excel, this is a great entry point into tech world without coding. Third, project management. If you think you are good at planning, organizing or making sure things get done on time, project management might be your superpower. This skill isn't just for people in corporate, it's useful in startups, NGO, events and even content creation. You basically glue that holds everything together. The job role would be project manager, scrum master, program manager, product owner. The salary range would be about 5 to 7 LPA in the entry position to 20 to 40 LPA with someone with experience. For growth, 22 million new project manager jobs are expected globally by 2027. Bad project management causes company to lose 12% of their budgets, and you can help fix it. Digital marketing. If you ever bought something just because of an Instagram ad, digital marketing has worked on you. Now imagine if you are the one making that happen. From SEO to email marketing to running ads, this skill is essential for any business in 2025. And the best part, you can start with zero background and build your way up. Job roles would include SEO specialist, content strategist, social media manager, digital marketing manager. And the salary, it would be about 3 to 6 LPA for beginners and up to 25 LPA as you grow with your expertise. When we talk about growth, there is subjected to be about 10% of growth every year in this domain, and there is no slowing it down. Digital marketing is expected to be a $807 billion industry by 2026. Lastly, cybersecurity. Now, what happens when all this data gets hacked? That's where cybersecurity pros step in. They protect system, networks, and people's data from cyber attacks, and this has become one of the most urgent global needs. Job roles are cybersecurity analyst, ethical hacker, information security manager. The salary starts from 6 to 10 LPA, going to about 20 to 40 LPA with experience. And you ask about growth, the field is expected to grow by 31% in the next 10 years. Now we have talked about the top 5 skills, but do you know that there is one bonus skill that you should always learn? That is communication and leadership. Now I said this before and I'll say it again. Soft skills are underrated. No matter what field you are in, the ability to communicate clearly and lead with confidence will take you 10x further than your technical skills alone. Want to pitch your idea, manage your team, speak at an interview? These skills are your secret weapons, and guess what? They are learnable too. Now here's the best part. You do not need to pay lakhs for an MBA or spend 4 years in college to learn these. Start today, learn for free and apply what you have learned and you will be miles ahead of the crowd. All the free courses are linked in the caption below. Do check them out. And if you found this helpful, do like, comment and share it with someone who's figuring out their career too. Don't forget to subscribe for more career and skill related content coming soon.